Hi guys, this is Jimmy from xbiosoft.com. Are you developing your software in-house? Are you satisfied with how focused your in-house software development team is? Well, think twice, because you might be suffering from the DDS Syndrome, the Developer-Driven Software Syndrome. And I will be showing you the 5 key critical signs that you might be suffering from this syndrome, and by extension, how to remedy this problem. In-house software development provides a lot of advantages. First, you have a very strong line of communication with your internal team, which means that the product that you're expecting is likely to be delivered. Secondly, because this expertise is in-house, this focused mindset leads to the development of a team of experts. And finally, you have control over the ownership of the features, the codes, and many other things. However, you might still be suffering from this developer-driven software syndrome, where your software is too developer-focused rather than end-user-led. And basically, because of that, you will be suffering from a number of issues that will affect the performance of your software when you release it in the outer world. So the first symptom is that your software works, but not as end users expect. A lot of times that happens when user stories or environment are not clear. So the developer developed this software thinking it should work, rather than digging deep and finding out what the end user really wants. The second symptom is that your software has incomplete or incorrect functionality. In that case, your software behaves in a way that is awkward or confusing to the end users. So basically, your software is going to one path, but this path is going away from the way the end user wants to interact with the software. The third symptom is that your in-house software does not respond to negative inputs. Your in-house software might be doing what it's supposed to do when the end user enter what the developer thinks they should enter. But what happens when the end user do something the developer doesn't expect? In this case, that's what we call negative input, and the software doesn't answer appropriately. The fourth symptom is that your software has incomprehensible error messages. If the software doesn't respond appropriately, it could just crash, or you could get an error message. But suppose the end user receives an error message they cannot understand. In that case, this is also related to the developer not really understanding and thinking about the end users and how they interact and how they face problems with the software. The fifth sign that you might be suffering from this DDS syndrome is the amount of customer call your tech support team gets. Indeed, one of the key indicators that your software is not answering to what the customer wants is the volume of call your tech support team gets. And as we have seen in our previous post, the 10 steps for a successful software testing strategy, the customer support is a very rich source of data. And therefore, if you're getting a lot of calls from your end users, this is an indication that something is not going very well, and that's a red flag that you need to take care of. So let's recap the 5 key signs your software might be suffering from the developer-driven software syndrome is: number 1, your in-house software works but not as the end users expect. Number 2, the software has incorrect and incomplete functionalities. Number 3, your in-house software does not respond to negative inputs. Number 4, your software has incomprehensible error messages. And number 5 is more calls to tech support and help desks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit this notification bell. And don't forget to visit our website xbiosoft.com for more videos and contents. Until next time, enjoy your day.